Assalamu Alaikum and welcome to Hijabi Bites. Today we're making Pakistani street-style biryani in just 1 minute, quick, fragrant, and full of desi flavor. You'll need boiled rice, cooked spiced chicken, biryani masala yogurt, fried onions, chopped tomatoes, green chilies, oil, and fresh coriander and mint. First, heat the oil in a pan. Add the biryani masala, yogurt, tomatoes, and your cooked chicken and give it a good stir. Now, it's time to layer. Start with half of the rice, then sprinkle over the fried onions, fresh coriander, and mint. Add the rest of the rice on top. Cover the pot and let it steam for just 5 minutes. And that's it. Your steaming, aromatic street-style biryani is ready to serve. Look at that. Try it at home and don't forget to subscribe to Hijabi Bites for more quick and tasty recipes. Delicious recipes, modestly made. Allah Hafiz.